In the heart of a quiet countryside, an old barn stood beneath a wide sky. The barn was home to Marley, a gentle brown horse with attentive eyes and a cautious spirit. Marley spent peaceful days grazing in meadows, listening only to the whispers of wind and distant chirps of birds. One afternoon, a new whistle hung by the door, bright and shiny, installed by the farmer, Mr. Dalton. He wanted to call the animals quickly during chores, imagining it would be a harmless addition. As Mr. Dalton blew the whistle, a piercing shriek sliced through the usual calm. Startled, Marley bolted, his hooves thundering across the field. For days, Marley paced nervously, his trust shaken. He shied away from the barn, refusing the sweet hay, and Mr. Dalton noticed the change with growing concern. A week passed before Mr. Dalton recalled the whistle, now silenced and forgotten in a corner. Understanding its impact, he gently removed it, vowing never to use it again. Each morning after, he greeted Marley softly, allowing the quiet air to fill with comfort instead. Gradually, Marley returned to his old routines. He ventured back toward the barn, accepting oats and Mrs. Dalton's gentle brushing. It took time, but the old calm seeped back into his eyes, and he no longer flinched to shadows. The farm was peaceful again, and Mr. Dalton realized that even small changes could echo loudly in the life of another. He watched Marley grazing, mindful now of the fragile trust between man and horse, and of how easily fear could disrupt harmony.